Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and simple flower heart coaster. For this coaster we use 4 colors. You can use any yarns and any colors you want. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around 2 fingers to form an X at the front and insert the hook under first yarn and grab next yarn and pull it through and then chain 1. Now remove the fingers and now I'm ready to start round 1. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And this is first single crochet. Again, insert the hook and make 1 single crochet. Again, make a single crochet into the ring, single crochet into the ring, and repeat this 4 more times. I made 8 single crochets. Now, pull the yarn tightly to close the ring, and then insert the hook into first stitch, and make a slip stitch. Fasten off and cut the yarn. For next round, make a slip knot with new color and attach the yarn into one of stitches of previous round. Now I want to make a cluster stitch with 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 chains that count as first incomplete double crochet. Then yarn over, insert hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is first cluster stitch. Then chain 3. Then yarn over and go to next stitch and make a cluster stitch here. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2. And now I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through them. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and go to next stitch and make a cluster stitch here. 1 incomplete double crochet, yarn over, insert hook into same stitch and make another incomplete double crochet, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, chain 3 and repeat this sequence. I have to make 1 cluster stitch into each of next 5 stitches and then chain 3. I repeat this until the end. At the end, I have 8 cluster stitch and 8 chain 3 space. Now, make a slip stitch in top of first cluster stitch and fasten off and cut the yarn. For third round, make a slip knot with new color and attach the yarn into one of chain 3 spaces. In this round, I want to make a cluster stitch with 3 treble crochet. So chain 3 as first incomplete treble crochet, then yarn over twice and insert hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, don't complete that, yarn over twice, insert the hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. This is first cluster stitch in this round and then chain 2. Again, make a cluster stitch into same chain 2 space. So yarn over twice, insert hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, yarn over twice, insert hook into same space, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, yarn over twice, insert hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all of them. After these 2 cluster stitch into first chain 3 space, chain 3, and skip next cluster stitch of previous round and go to next chain 3 space. Again, yarn over twice and make a cluster stitch into this space. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, chain 2, again make a cluster stitch into same space. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. After these 2 cluster stitches, chain 3 and go to next chain 3 space and make 2 cluster stitch here with chain 2 space between them, then chain 3 and repeat this sequence until the end. At the end of this round, I have 16 cluster stitches, 8 chain 2 space, and 8 chain 3 space. Now insert the hook on top of first cluster stitch and make a slip stitch, and then cut the yarn. Now I want to start round of hearts, so make a slip knot with new color, then attach the yarn in one of chain 2 spaces here. Then chain 3 as a double crochet and then make 4 double crochets into same space. So yarn over and make 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Now I have 5 double crochets into first chain 2 space. Then chain 2 and go to next chain 3 space and make a single crochet here. Chain 2 and go to next chain 2 space and make 5 double crochets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, chain 2 and go to next chain 3 space and make a single crochet. Chain 2 and go to next chain 2 space and make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then chain 2 and make a single crochet into next chain 3 space. Chain 2 and make 5 double crochets into next chain 2 space and repeat this sequence until the end of the round. Okay, after last single crochet, chain 2 and insert the hook into third chain of beginning chains and make a slip stitch. Now I want to continue the work with same yarn, so chain 3 as a double crochet and make another double crochet into first stitch here. I have 2 double crochets into first stitch, then make 1 double crochet into next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then make 2 double crochets into next stitch. 1 and 2. I have 5 double crochets in this section. Chain 2 and skip next single crochet and go to next double crochets and make 2 double crochet into first stitch, 1 and 2, and 1 double crochet into each of next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and 2 double crochet into last stitch, 1 and 2. Again, chain 2, skip next single crochet, make 2 double crochet into first stitch of next repeat, 1 double crochet into each of next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and 2 double crochet into last stitch, 1 and 2. Then chain 2 and repeat this sequence until the end. Okay, at the end, make a slip stitch in third chain of beginning chains and continue with same yarn, chain 3 as a double crochet and make a double crochet into same stitch. I have 2 double crochets into first stitch. Then make a double crochet into each of next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and make 2 double crochet into next stitch, 1 and 2. Now I have 7 stitches in this section. Chain 2 and go to next repeat and make 2 double crochets in first stitch, 1 and 2, and 1 double crochet in each of next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And make 2 double crochets in last stitch, 1 and 2. Then chain 2 and repeat this sequence. Make 2 double crochets in first stitch and last stitch and 1 double crochet in each of the middle 5 stitches, then chain 2 and repeat this until the end. At the end, after last chain 2 space, insert the hook into third chain of beginning chains and make a slip stitch. And now for last round, go to next stitch and make a slip stitch into that. Again, go to next stitch and make 1 slip stitch. I want to start last round from here, from third stitch of previous round. Chain 3 as a double crochet and make 6 double crochets into same stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I have 7 stitches in same stitch. Then skip next stitch and make a single crochet into next. Then skip next stitch and make 7 double crochet into the next. 1, and skip last 2 stitches and go to next chain 2 space and make a single crochet. Okay, you can see that my first heart has appeared and I have to repeat this sequence. Go to third stitch, skip these 2 stitches, go to third stitch and make 7 double crochet here. Skip fourth stitch and make a single crochet into fifth stitch. Then skip next and make 7 double crochet into 7th stitch of previous round here. Then skip last 2 stitches, make a single crochet into next chain 2 space, and this is second heart, and then repeat this sequence 6 more times until the end of the round. Okay, after last single crochet in last chain to space, slip stitch into third chain of beginning chains and fasten off and cut the yarn. And now my heart coaster is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.